Now here's something to think about. By the year 2025, 65% of all jobs will require education and training beyond high school. And by the year 2030, 85% of the jobs that will exist have yet to even be invented. This means that for most children in elementary school today, their future career may not yet even be real. But within this uncertainty lies opportunity. The opportunity to streamline manufacturing through things like automation and artificial intelligence, to grow new high-paying jobs, to expand our economy and develop Lorain County into a talent destination. A place where innovation sparks solutions, where everyone has access to the tools and the education required to thrive in the future. And that place is the Campana Center for Ideation and Invention.